Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications from chosen apps on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to choose notifications and status bar, tap on manage notifications and pick one of those apps, like Amazon Music. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app are now blocked. If you wish to turn them back on, click at the same switcher. But you can also click on one of your apps, click on one of your apps like that one, and manage notifications by clicking on the switcher next to allow notifications feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!